Hello, my name is Tony Berard. I'll try it without the glasses. It might be better. All right, so I'm going to discuss the number puzzles with you. I'll put them on so I can. Right. So I got the computer here. So we're going to go to the same address as before. https / Tony B 10,000 dot github.io / and this time we're going to do number puzzles. Number puzzles, just like that. Let me move the mouse out of the way. So https / TonyB10,000.github.io / number puzzles. Then you press enter, and it takes you to this. So you can it's logic puzzles, and so I'll do one or two of these, maybe all three. So let's play Shikaku. So you can set the grid size. Smaller grid sizes are easier. So let's choose a 8, I guess, by well, let's go 8 by 8 and a max area of 7. New game. So it builds a puzzle pretty quick. The bigger boards might take a second or whatever. So any ones are easy. So you just click 1, 1. Ones are gimmies because it's only a 1 by 1, and the thing has to contain the number. So 5 is prime, so it can only be 1 times 5. So it can only be this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then 2, since the 4 has to be in something, and this 4 has to be in something, and this 3 has to be in something, there's only one way. That way. 4. It can't be that way. It can't be a 2 by 2 because this 3 is here. See, this is the logic part of it. So 4 has to be here. Then 3. This 3 can possibly be up here or down here. There's ambiguity there. But it can't be here because this square is taken by the 4. So this 3 has to be up and down, which means this 3, the only thing that can capture that is that. So that 3 has to be there. So there's that. This 2, there's ambiguities there. This 4 has to be this way. There's no doubt about that. And that forces this 3 to be here. The only thing that can catch this is this 2. So that has to be that. There's ambiguity here, 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 here. This 2 is not ambiguous, so that has to be there. 6. That can only be a 2 by 3 because 1 by 6 is out of the question. So this 6 must be this way, like so. Since this 3 is blocking this 4 from doing anything, this 4 has to be here. Oops, I grabbed too many. 4. All right. Well, this 4 must come down because it can't go left and right. So it has to come straight down. That's the only way. That forces this 3. And it forces this. Forces this 2. Which forces this 2. Which forces this 2. Which doesn't force this. But this 3 has to come down. Now this last 2 is forced. And then we check the solution. And it was timed. It took me 2 minutes and 28 seconds. And there's your score goes down the longer you take. So I did that. Then go back to the main menu and you can play another game. Let's play Kakuro. So you can generate a 6 by 6. These other puzzles might not generate, but let's make this one easier for me. 6 by 6. Okay. So on the left, this has to be 15. Going left, it has to, or from the left, it's going this way. So this has to add up to 43. This has to add up to 20, and there's only 1. This has to add up to 33, and there's 3. So that's how the numbers on the left work. The numbers on top, going down, 87. Going across, 50, 43 down, 18 down, 30 down, like that. And so you can use the numbers up to 1 to 20. The normal Kakoro is 1 to 9, but I asked it to go 1 to 20. So it makes it a harder puzzle. So all the onesies, you click on the box and then you click 17, like that, because that's only 1. This one is only 1, so that's a 20. So we click that. Then 15, there's only one way going to the right of that 15, so that's only 1. This 12 is coming down, so it has to be a 12. So you do all the easy things first. This one has to be a 14. This one has to be an 18. Let's see. Okay, so if this is 38 going across, and that's 18, that must mean this is a 20. And then if this is 30 going down, and this is 20, that means this is a 10. But also the other 10 sitting here showed that that had to be a 10. All right, so this is 34 going down, and that's 14, so that means this has to be a 20. If this is 50, I've got 32 here, so this must be 18. Oh, 18. This is 19 going down, so it's only 1. This is 12 going down, it's only 1. 15 going across, so that's 15. If you do all the easy parts first, and then the rest get quite easy. So there's 4 things left. So let's see. Well, I'm in a bit of a fix. So this would take some work. You could set up maybe some math, a system of equations. You need 4 things. Let this be X, Y, Z, W, then X plus 19 plus Y is 43, and then you could do this. Put these 2 in, these 2 in, and these 2 in. So you'd have 4 equations and 4 unknowns, which would solve uniquely, algebraically. So you could do that. Or you could do trial and error, but that's a little beyond what this video can help us with. So let's go to the last one, bridges. So play bridges. So it generated this island network, and it's 12 islands, so that's pretty good. So that has to be the same height. So you connect 2 bridges. So 4. You can only have up to a max of 2 connecting islands. So if you can only have 2 connecting here, it has to be this, and it has to be this. This 4 is forced. This 2 doesn't have any other thing, so this has to be 2 this way. So you connect the islands again. So now those are, and when it shows green, that means that island is done. All these islands in white are not done yet. So 5 and 3. There's probably at least one island there. There's probably at least one island there. I doubt this is going to go all the way across, because it's probably going to interfere with these lines. You probably can't cross lines. So we're going to do that. It's showing in green, so that's probably right. So this 3 has to connect here. Let's do that. That 3 is done. So this 3 must have 2 coming this way. This 3 is done, so this must connect here, and probably 2 coming this way. No, it has to be this way. And then 2 here. No, I made an error. So let's just put 1 there. And then 1 here. And that solves the grid. Check the solution. Puzzle solved, final score 461. So that's all these games. So you can go to the Facebook group and share your victories there. You can watch new content on my YouTube channel by clicking that. If you want to support me, you can click that. A little money is always appreciated. So that's number puzzles. Thank you for your time. Let me see if I can see my eyes. All right. Thank you for your time. Have a great day.